What's up, guys? I have this 1993 Dodge Dynasty with only 95,000 original miles on it, but the speedometer was broken. The odometer and trip meter do work fine, though. To remove the speedometer, you have a bezel which comes off with 5 screws and pulls out, and then you have this plastic cover which is held in with 5 T20 screws. Then you get access to your gauge cluster, which you do not have to take the whole cluster out. The speedometer comes out with 3 T20 screws, and it pulls straight out, like so. I already had it mostly out, so it's easier to show you guys. So, I thought there was a gear or something in here. No. It's a little bimetallic strip that's wound up that controls it. So, the actual problem lies in this motherboard here. And it's these capacitors that were leaking. That's why it was not working. I found an old motherboard with 25 volt capacitors. That's what you want, these little tiny 25 volts. And I desoldered them from that board, and I soldered them in onto this. And my speedometer works now. And so if you have a Dodge Dynasty or a Chrysler New Yorker with this gauge cluster and your speedometer doesn't work, check your capacitors.